Alright, so we're here to talk about temporary attachments for our Dragon Wreath Flair. And one of my favorite methods is to make a temporary sewn attachment. And the best way to do this is to give yourself as few stitches as possible and to make them easy to tear out. So here's how I do that. I'm going to thread through right here on the tail. We're going to use our Valentine's Day tail mod as our sample. I'm going to thread through the tail here and then into the heart where I want it to touch the tail and out. All right, and so I'm going to leave a pretty decent tail on this end because we're going to come back and we're going to use this when we come back around. So then I'm going to make huge stitches, like huge, like I'm going to skip 4 stitches here. Okay, and we're going to go in the heart, out where we want it to attach to the tail, and into the tail. Right, great big huge stitches. Okay, then we're going to go back down into the heart here in the end and out over a few stitches since we're making a corner here. And then we're going to go back down the heart and out through the heart where we want to attach it to the tail, in through the tail, and I do want to go one more over, so let's go this way. I do want to attach it one more time up here by the top. So I'm going to put one more stitch right there to go through that heart. And then I'm just going to go back through the tail and come up the very same stitch I started out of. So here's where we have, and I'm going to pull this a little tight. Pull it kind of tight as you're working, but you don't really have to, like, you know, yank on it or anything. And then we're going to just tie a bow here. And we're not going to tie like a standard bow because we're not going to tie a little knot. We're just going to do the bunny ears part of the bow. And sorry I learned this bunny ears, but we're going to do the bunny ears part of the bow, tie our bunny ears together, and leave our bow with no base knot. Okay? Then we're going to pull the ends so that the bow is tiny enough that you can't see it behind the tail. Right? And then cut off our ends. So we have this adorable little bow. Isn't it cute? So cute. But now our tail piece, I can kind of flip him over, is attached. It's not going anywhere, but it will be super easy to tear out. So when we're ready to get rid of it, when we're ready to move on to St. Patrick's Day, we take out our tail, and it takes no time at all. Ta-da! Pretty slick, huh? This is my absolute favorite way to attach flair to your dragon. The goal is to just make it easy to switch out so you can move on to the next holiday. Thanks for watching a Hooked by Katie tutorial video. Please click subscribe and click that little bell so you get notifications every time I post a new video. And remember to go to hookedbykatie.com for more patterns, tutorials, and guides to help you improve your art.